tricks. Do you know of any of those
We
classes?
do that here.
You do? She goes, you should get, because they're a working dog, she told me, so they love to work for their food. And I should get her into doing the tricks. She said it's frustrating though. I don't know if I have the patience. She said has to put a trick with a jump, and then her dog has to jump over in order to get the treat. And if it doesn't jump over, it doesn't get the treat. And she said, just when she thinks she's ready to quit doing that, the dog will jump over and get the treat.
Right one.
My problem is I still pick her up and carry her around.
You won't be doing that for next
I
month.
know.
Easy. Jeez.
But I would want to pick him up. He's so cute.
Our male dog, the black one, was not this size when it was 4 months.
That was the border collie.
No, we had both Australian sheep.
Oh, both Australian.
They were brother and sister. The one, I couldn't keep shut up. It just kept barking. But he got out. He got left. I talked to the guy that owned the farm about a year later. He said he was just
Happy as can
thought it
be.
was great.
Yeah.
He was a real hermit.
Right.
Well, you're gonna sleep good tonight, huh, Scott?
They both went out.
Yeah, they both want to say, boy, could we really run if we got out of here?
Seeing her fancy. So this socializes them.